Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a Spotify user, you might have wondered how to change the background of your Spotify profile or app. While Spotify does not allow you to directly change the background color or image, there are some creative ways you can tweak your profile's appearance. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app. Now open it. Let's say you want to change how your Spotify profile looks. The first thing you can do is upload a custom cover image for your albums or playlists. For that, tap onto your library, then go to your playlist and tap one of the playlists that you have. Here you can find the three dots line. Now simply tap on it. And here you can find the edit button. Now click on it. After that, here you can find the change playlist cover. Now simply select it and then tap on to change cover image. Here you can change the photo from your library or just take photo. Now tap on one. Next, choose one photo that you would like to add for your cover playlist. After choosing the photo, simply tap on to choose. And here you can find the photo has been changed. Remember, the background color or visual aesthetic in the app is often influenced by the cover art. So, choosing the right image for your playlist and albums can really change how your Spotify looks. So, while there is no magic button to change the background color of your Spotify profile, these little tricks can make your account feel more personalized and unique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.